Hey there, fellow knowledge seekers and storytellers. Welcome back to the chapter by chapter where we dive deep into the fascinating world of psychology, human behavior, and the secrets to capturing attention. Today, we're delving into Law 11, avoid wallpaper at all costs. This law is the secret sauce to grabbing people's attention, whether you're writing, speaking, or producing content. Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll have a powerful tool to keep your audience engaged from start to finish. Our journey begins with an incredible tale of human resilience. Picture this. A lone adventurer, Aaron Ralston, is trapped in a remote Utah canyon with an 800-pound boulder crushing his arm. He faced unimaginable pain and despair for days. But what sets this story apart is how he overcame it. Aaron did the unthinkable, cutting off his own arm with a pocket knife to survive. Now, why is this story so gripping? It's because Ralston's mind used a built-in survival tool, habituation. His brain focused on what was vital, escaping the canyon, and tuned out the excruciating pain. This phenomenon is what we'll explore today. So, what is habituation? Imagine a constant low-level hum in a room. At first, it might bother you, but soon, your brain adapts, and you don't notice it anymore. That's habituation, freeing mental capacity for new, essential information. Let's relate this to you, our fantastic audience. Just like the rat in a maze that becomes an expert after finding chocolate, we all habituate to familiar surroundings. But that doesn't mean we're not open to new things. It's all about finding that balance. Now, here's another mind-blowing concept. Semantic satiation. Have you ever repeated a word so much that it lost its meaning? Our brains tend to tune out repetitive stimuli. For example, a word when repeated starts to sound like gibberish. Think about how this applies to marketing. Overusing words or phrases can lead to Black Friday numbness or revolutionary products losing their impact. But stay tuned, because I've got a trick up my sleeve to bypass this habituation filter. You see, I've been experimenting with ways to engage our audience better. I found that a specific unexpected call to action, combined with a promise of future rewards, can boost engagement significantly. It's about speaking directly to the viewer's mind. So, dear viewers, here's my call to action. If you've enjoyed our content so far, do me a favor and hit that subscribe button. It helps our channel more than you know. And the bigger the channel gets, the bigger the guests we'll have. I promise you won't regret it. Now, let's talk about the optimal level of exposure. There's a sweet spot where something is new enough to grab our attention but familiar enough to be loved. This is why songs with familiar elements tend to perform well. Remember, repetition is essential, but there's a point where it becomes counterproductive. So, creators and marketers strive to find that perfect balance. And there you have it, our exploration of Law 11. Avoid wallpaper at all costs. Understanding habituation and semantic satiation can be the key to captivating your audience. Whether you're a storyteller, marketer, or content creator, keep your content fresh, engage your viewers' minds. And remember, it's all about finding that sweet spot. If you found this video engaging and informative, please do us that favor and hit the subscribe button. It really does help us grow and bring you more insightful content. Thanks for tuning in. And until next time, keep your storytelling fresh, your marketing creative, and your audience engaged. Stay curious.